Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic direct speech and indirect speech from the English grammar. I will catch you in a minute, replied Seema. Choose a correct reported speech of the sentence. Answer. Seema replied that she would catch him in a minute. The teacher said to Ravi, "You are absolutely right. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence." Answer. The teacher told Ravi that he was absolutely right. Ramya asked, "Are these fabrics from Indonesia?" Choose a correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. Ramya asked if those fabrics were from Indonesia. Shivaji said, "You have helped me today." Choose a correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. Shivaji said that he had helped him that day. "He will pick Oakum tomorrow morning," said the gentleman. Choose a correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. The gentleman said that he would pick Oakum the next day morning. "That boy will be hung," said the gentleman. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. The gentleman said that that boy would be hung. The teacher said, "What can be the origin of the word?" Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. The teacher asked what the origin of the word could be. Teacher said Ravi was lazy. Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. Teacher said that Ravi was lazy. Mother says the sun rises in the east. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. Mother says that the sun rises in the east. She said, "Is he playing chess?" Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. She asked if he was playing chess. She said, would you take this book? Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. She asked if I would take that book. Rajani said Vijaya had stolen the book. Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. Rajani said that Vijay had stolen the book. They said he has been doing his work. Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. They said that he had been doing his work. Swapna said to me, you are wrong. Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. Swapna told me that I was wrong. They said, please tell me your name. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. They requested to tell him my name. Stop here, said the teacher to the student. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. The teacher ordered the student to stop there. They said to her, why are you shouting? Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. They asked her why she was shouting. She said to me, how are you? Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. She asked me how I was. He said to her, may God bless you. Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. He prayed that God might bless her. They asked her, how do you make the food? Choose the correct reported speech of the given sentence. Answer. They asked her how she made the food. He said me, when is she coming here? Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. He asked me when she was coming there. He said to her, which is your book? Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. She asked him which his book was. How beautiful she is, said Veerendran. Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. Veerendran exclaimed that she was very beautiful. He said to me, honesty is the best policy. Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. He told me that honesty is the best policy. Don't call me tonight, he told me. Choose the correct reported speech. Answer. He told me not to call him that night. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.